In this video, you'll learn how to create and verify a Binance account specifically in Nigeria. By the end of this guide, you will have set up your account and completed the necessary identity verification process. Begin by accessing the Binance platform using either the mobile app or the official website. Once the page loads, locate and tap on the sign up option to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number that is registered in Nigeria. After inputting your contact information, create a strong password to ensure the security of your account. Following this, a verification code will be sent to the email or phone number you provided. Enter this code to confirm your registration. This step successfully creates your Binance account. Next, log in to your newly created Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the verification or identity section within your account settings. Here, select Nigeria as your country of residence. It is crucial that you enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your official identification. Ensure that the information is accurate to prevent any issues during the verification process. This action initiates the Know Your Customer or KYC process, which is essential for compliance and security. Once you've entered your personal details, the next step is to submit the required documents for verification. You will need to upload a valid Nigerian identification document, such as a national identification number card or a passport. After uploading the document, you will be required to complete facial verification. For this process, use your phone camera in an area with good lighting to ensure clarity. This step is important as it verifies that the person registering is the same as the individual in the identification document. After completing the facial verification, submit your verification request. It is important to monitor your notifications for updates regarding your verification status. The approval process may take some time depending on the volume of requests Binance is handling. Make sure to check your email or app notifications regularly to receive confirmation of your account's verification status. This step finalizes the verification process, allowing you to fully utilize your Binance account. That wraps up today's guide on creating and verifying a Binance account in Nigeria. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.